Ladies and gentlemen, we're now on our final approach. We'll ask our customers seated in executive first to please restore your personal television monitors. Thank you.
First time in London? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You notice the motorway has got two sides instead of green?
Yeah.
Welcome to London Heathrow, ladies and gentlemen, where the local time is coming up to 11:33 a.m. British summertime. There is some danger in standing while the aircraft is still moving, so we'll ask you to remain seated until the aircraft comes to a complete and final stop at the terminal building, and the captain has switched off the seatbelt signs throughout the cabin. Flight 898 will be terminating here at London Heathrow, so we'd also like to remind you to bring all of your personal belongings with you when you leave the aircraft. And please exercise some caution when opening the overhead bins, as your things up there may have shifted in flight. Any passengers who require deplaning assistance, such as those of you who have requested wheelchairs, you're asked to remain on board until all other passengers have deplaned and the aisles are clear. One of us will then be in a better position to help you. And should you be making a connecting flight out of London Heathrow this morning with Air Canada, BMI, or one of our other Star Alliance partners, please check the screens hanging inside the terminal building or consult one of our ground staff at the door if you require any additional